Hello, and welcome to the Tip of the Week. This week's topic is insert a logo in Google Sheets. Did you know that you can customize your Google Sheets with your company logo and branding colors? Follow these steps to insert the logo into your spreadsheet. Click on Google Chrome. Click on the waffle to the left of your profile picture and click Sheets. Click on Blank Sheet, or you can open an existing one. Select the cell where you want the image to be placed. I'm going to place it in cell A1. On the menu, click Insert, hover over Images, and click Insert Image in Cell. Click Browse and locate the saved image from your photos. The image is inserted, and you can adjust the size by adjusting the row height and column width. To customize your spreadsheet even further, find out the RGB code or the hex code for colors of your organization and use them to add colors to your fonts, backgrounds, and borders. Sheets allows you to add custom colors. To demonstrate this customization, in cell A2 I will type ABC Banking. I will increase the font size to 16. I will select Text Color from the ribbon and click on Custom, and in the hex code I will type in 446655 and then click OK. And then I will bold the text. Do you have questions about using Google Workspace? There are several resources available. The links and contact information are listed here.